First of all, make the most of the examiner's report. Secondly, it's recommended that you attempt the papers in a specific order. And thirdly, do some timed question practice. Dealing with each of those in a little bit more detail, the examiner's report comes out every sitting, 4 times a year, and there's a lot of evidence to suggest that students don't actually take enough notice of what's included in there. This is the only information that we have about some of the questions that are set. Some of the questions are not published, therefore the debrief that you get in the examiner's report is really all that we have. And it's essential, in my view, that students take advantage of this, make the most of it. Secondly, dealing with the papers in a specific order. Whilst the ACCA allow you to attempt papers in whatever order you like, my recommendation would be ensure that advanced audit and assurance is done after strategic business reporting. There's a lot of knowledge in the strategic business reporting paper that is needed for advanced audit and assurance. You need it for the first paper in more detail than you do for the advanced audit and assurance. And if you do strategic business reporting first, you will have all the knowledge that you need. There won't be anything else that you need to learn. And there is evidence to suggest at the moment that this is not being done, that students are not doing these 2 papers in this order. So my recommendation would be strategic business reporting first, advanced audit and assurance second. Thirdly, do some timed question practice. Don't make the exam the first time that you do a question and produce an answer under time conditions. Practice first before you go in the exam. You don't have to do too many, but it's essential that you go through the process. You know what you can do, what you can't do within the time that's available, and the only way you can do that is by practicing time questions beforehand. So the 3 things again: make the most of the examiner's report, do the papers strategic business reporting first, then advanced audit and assurance, and do some timed question practice.